start that with my nose because I got gloves on. I think these are supposed to be those ones where you can freaking tap on the screen, but it doesn't work. Grant and I are shoveling snow, or he's shoveling snow, and I like got the broom and I wiped the snow off of his car. How's it going?
We're getting there.
Yep. We are going to try to go to the store, which I've suggested we should take my car because it's taller than his, but it doesn't have heat exactly, so, but it is higher, so that's why I wanted to take that one instead. And the store's like right down the road, but and he doesn't want me to go with him because he doesn't want to get stuck with me in the car, but I'm gonna go with him. I wanted to show y'all this. Whoa, look at how deep my freaking foot is. Hold on, can you see it? Where's my foot? I can't see. Oh. Oh my goodness. There's a a tree stump. I can't really see, but right here, this mound right here is a tree stump, and it comes up to about my knees, and the snow is like right there at it. So anyways, this icicle, that's not the one I wanted to show you though. Oh. Heavy? Heavy?
Yeah.
Wait, what are you about to do? Wait. Okay, go.
Eat.
It disappeared.
That was epic. Got my entire hand wet though.
This one is literally as tall as I am. Or, no, it's taller probably. I just walk under all of the icicles. All of these are about to come off.
Hold on tight.
I'm scared.
Hold on tight.
I couldn't even. It was too heavy.
It's the perfect murder weapon. It melts after you use it. Yeet!
Yeet. Oh man.
Looks like the 10 Commandments, but ice.
Did you see that?
No.
I almost died. One of the icicles fell on my head.
I'll see it in the replay. Ow! Son of a... Look, this thing's pointing. Oh, it got in my eye. Psycho killer.
Look at how much freaking snow there is.
Ba, 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 ba.
He's going insane because
Got my
cabin fever.
What are you talking
What?
shit?
No.
Talk shit?
There's some big ones over here too.
Yeet it.
Oh dang it. Psst. Psst.
You still in my direction?
It's cold outside, but it's like bearable cold because the wind's not blowing. You better not throw a snowball at me.
I'm not.
It looks like you're forming a snowball.
I'm not.
Are you lying? Okay. What did Grant? My feet are ice cold. Okay. Hi, baby. Hello. Oh, hi. Okay. Guys, down. Off.
Get down.
Come on. Go. Go. Come on. Go. I bet you lost your toy in the snow, huh? Go get it. Because there's so much snow that the trampoline is dipping in. It's just like, what is this? Oh, he's so cute. You're so cute. Come here, Jace.
What is it?
Get it. Go get
What
it.
is it?
Go get it.
What is it?
Go get it.
Oh, where is it? I smell it. No, you don't. It's ice.
Oh my goodness.
Go get it. Yeah, make sure you get your icicles down.
Make
so
sure
they
you
don't
get
fall
your
on the doggies.
icicles, yeah.
Wait. This has to be done very carefully.
Is it heavy? Nice, hold on. Okay.
That was awesome. Watch out.
Whoa, look at that one.
See, that's my head. You ready for that?
No. Oh my god, what if you fall through? You're gonna fall through. I'm not responsible. Move, guys. Oh my gosh.
Six to landing.
So they have not been out in days. Like they may have been out for a couple minutes and they've been out a few times to eat, but this is the first day they've actually come out and walked around and they're active. And I was concerned at first, but then I was like, no, this is just what happens. Like sulcatas don't hibernate, but they will sleep for several days. Or at least just sleep longer. Why are you coming to me? I don't have the food. They'll sleep longer than normal if it's a little colder. But they are out and about. I'm going to soak them in a little bit to get them hydrated. And yeah, so it's about in the 50s today. And we haven't had that in about a week. So I definitely have been keeping, let's see, this is a chicken brooder, so it stays about 80 degrees. Ira, why are you coming to me? The food is right here. Look, right here. There you go. There you go. Here, eat this one. Here, eat this one. Okay, or just walk on it. Hello. So they have had their chicken brooder, and then I've had 2 other heaters in my room on during this entire time to heat up the room, because my room is connected to the back door, and the back door isn't properly, I don't know, sealed like it's supposed to be. So we had to like makeshift it to where, you know, to block the cold air coming through. So my room does get a little bit colder than the rest of the house. So, but yeah, they were all good and comfortable under their chicken brooder, and they're getting their exercise. And today, obviously, I don't know why she keeps coming up to me. The food's over there, honey. I'm gonna have to raise this eventually. Oh, look, she hit it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to raise that eventually. Hello. This is the scaredy cat. Hello. I don't have any food. Well, now she's taking all the food from you. Okay. Walk around. Alright. Doggies are cool. Hello, guys. Are you over this cold, freezing weather? I know I am. Go, boys. Drake. Hello. Hey, y'all. This is about a week, maybe even 2 weeks since the snowstorm hit. but I'm just getting around to editing my video, and I wanted to say that our lights stayed on, which I am so thankful for because I was extremely worried about the tortoises. I have emergency propane heaters that are really small, like little camping heaters. Thankfully, I didn't have to use those, and we had wood, and we have a wood burning stove, so we had a consistent heat that didn't require electricity in case the power did go out. So I am extremely thankful that our power didn't go out because I follow a cicada group on Facebook, and I saw so many posts of people that were down in Texas and they had cicadas and their power went out, and I did see some like really cool tips and tricks in case the power did go out, so that was helpful, and I'm glad that people were able to figure it out for themselves because their power did go out. But everything was good. I was just snowed in for a week, and Grant was snowed in. We didn't expect it to get that bad. It's never been that bad before. It's been like snowy for a day and then that's it, and it lasted a freaking week. Like, that's insane here in this area. Like, it's crazy. Yeah, he wasn't expecting to be there that long. Maybe a day, but it ended up being 5 to 7 days. So yeah, I mean, it happened. We had fun with it, so it is what it is. So hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.